In this video, I will be showing you a DIY on how I painted Magnolia blossom bulbs and Dollar Tree chain link and used it for home decor. Here I got the bulbs that fell from my Magnolia tree, and I got a chain link from the Dollar Tree and Rust-Oleum paint, and this is what I got. If you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. I am so glad that you decided to stick with me for the remaining of this video, and I will show you how I did my painted Magnolia blossom bulbs and my Dollar Tree chain link for my home decor. And I went to the store and picked up some Rust-Oleum, and the color is oregano, and I thought that was a beautiful color to go along with my decor. And what I did is I went out and I picked up these little Magnolia bulbs. Now this is where the blossom comes on the little bulb, and then the blossom falls off, and this is what we have here. And I said, oh, I can use that because I used some pine cones in one of my videos, brought that in from outdoors, and I saw a tree that had the most beautiful leaves. The leaves was changing colors, like the purple, the burgundy. Oh, it was so beautiful. So I made a video of that. So if you want to see that video, I will have it linked down in the description box. Now back to this. What I'm going to do with this is, once I finish painting this, and I think this took about a good 3 or 4 coats, because I kept going back and forth trying to let it dry, then I go back out there and I give it another spray coat. But these bulbs here, they do take up a lot of paint because they are spongy, and you have to go ahead on and give them what they want, give them that paint. But guys, anytime that you have something beautiful outside, you can always bring that nature in, and you would be surprised. Just look around outside of your house, the leaves, especially this fall. I mean, fall is such a beautiful time of the year, and that's when things start falling off the tree and the leaves start changing colors, and oh, fall is just so gorgeous. And this is a perfect time for you to just stand up, go outside your house, stand up and just look around and see what part of the nature that you can bring inside of your house and use that for your home decor. So right here, I think I'm not for sure how many of these the bulbs that I used, but I went on and did some extra in case if I needed a little bit more. And I painted this chain and the bulbs the same color. Okay, before I show you the end result, let me digress and just let you know what I do on this particular channel. I do DIY, decorate with me, shop with me, cleaning my interior as well as my exterior part of my house and my flower bed. And I do have a few videos of real estate on my channel because I am a realtor by trade. Okay guys, so if this is something that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will be notified the next time when I upload another video. I will be uploading different videos coming up soon, so just stay tuned for that and make sure your bell is on. Guys, leave me a comment because comments help my channel grow. And as always, if this is your first time, please leave me a comment below and just say first time. I would love to welcome you to this channel, okay? And if you subscribe, please let me know because I don't want to overlook you, okay? Okay, so back to this video. I am almost done. I did cut some of it out because I didn't want to show you everything because this was like a long process. Like I said, it took about maybe 4 coats or more and I had to, in between time, take it back outside and get some little spots that I missed. Here is the reveal, guys. This is my bowl that I put my bulbs in, and I didn't say spray painted the entire bulb because I want some of that brown to be showing with that oregano color. And so now here is that chain that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. It was black, but now it is that oregano. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future. Your future looks good on you. Bye bye.